Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is our fourth fight against Windup from February RCE in 2026. This is Tri-Cheese, the 1 pound horizontal. Windup is a Viper kit. Alright, fight starts. That wedge is on the front of Windup is annoying because I'm horizontal and wedges. Oh! The weapon ejected itself. Basically, it wasn't a hit that sent it flying. It was damage accumulation on the motor from the first two matches against Paper Jam and Pretty Little Psycho. That caused the motor shaft to snap. And in the third fight, it didn't really spin, so this is the only... Because of that, it just flew. Now I just need to try my best to pin him for the rest of the time.
Try to do it again. It all counts. Oh, wait, get away from it. Nice. Good job, good driving. For being upside down and wrong way. Come on, you get it, one more pin. Don't get pin, don't get pin. Get away from there, get away from there.
I mean, no. I think Windup's weapon is also down from electrical issues. There's a pushing match where one person has a wedge and the other doesn't.
Oh. Good job. No, don't get pin, don't get pin. Good job. Nice. Oh, so close. No, get out of there, get out of there. You can. 1, 2, 3, 4.
We bent his weapon out of shape, look at it.
7, 8, 9,
Basically, that was the end of the match. I lost. It was a close judge decision.